So good morning student. Today we are going to perform the experiment related to the torsional vibration. So guys, the aim of the today's experiment is to study the undamped free torsional vibration of a single rotor shaft system. Now look at the experimental setup. Here the single rotor shaft system and the apparatus that we require to perform the experiment. Here we have taken the shaft with the known diameter. The diameter of the shaft we have measured with the help of vernier caliper. It is 3 mm. Now here we have taken the bracket. So with the help of bracket we can change the length. So one end of the shaft which is fixed with the help of jerk, and the another end of the shaft which is fixed with the help of jerk and the flywheel arrangement. Here the flywheel which is mounted on the bearing inside the frame and it can perform the free rotation. Now this end is fixed and this end, on the free end we have attached the flywheel that is going to perform the rotary motion. Now see the experimental procedure. So here guys, one end which is completely fixed and with the help of another end, if you look at, because when we are fixing this end and when we are giving some angular displacement to the flywheel and when we release it, now that flywheel that perform the twisting, untwisting motion. So to complete the 10 oscillations, twisting and untwisting, how much time we require with the help of stopwatch that we are going to measure, and from that we get the periodic time experimentally. So now we'll see. Just I am tightening this. Right. Yes. So now see. To perform the 10 oscillations. Torsional vibration means the particle or a shaft or an elastic member, when they perform the circular motion with respect to axis, such a type of vibration we call as a torsional vibration. Now see, I am giving the angular displacement, and when we are giving the angular displacement and when we release it, here you can see, yes. So to perform means when we release it or when we apply the external torque to complete the oscillations, to complete the 10 oscillations, the time we required that we are measuring with the help of stopwatch, and from that we get the experimental periodic time, from that we get the experimental frequency, and that we are going to compare theoretically, right? So this is the main motto of the experiment, is to understand the torsional vibration concept, how to find out the frequency and what is the meaning of the single rotor shaft system. So thank you so much.